Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting the Fly app access to your camera and storage. This removes import interruptions. Once done, tap Editor and pick New Project so you create a dedicated timeline. Select your drone clips and any phone footage, then Confirm. Make sure to pick the correct aspect ratio, 16:9 for widescreen or 9:16 for vertical, because it determines framing. After import, skim through clips and mark the main moments. This gives you a focus set to trim and edit next. You now refine the material. Zoom the timeline and drag clip edges to trim. Use split to cut out unwanted middles. Then reorder clips by dragging them into your desired sequence, because flow matters more than length. Once placed, apply transitions sparingly. Crossfade for gentle cuts or quick cuts for energy to preserve pacing. Use speed ramp for dynamic moments, enable stabilization on shaky shots, and apply basic color corrections to match exposures. These steps make the sequence look intentional and cohesive. Finish by balancing audio. Add a track, trim it to fit, and duck clip audio so music doesn't overpower your drone sounds. Once satisfied, tap Export and select Resolution and Bitrate. Choose a higher bitrate for platforms that expect quality, or lower it to save space. Make sure to toggle watermark or include project info before exporting. If export stalls, clear the app cache, install any Fly updates, or retry with a lower bitrate. These fixes resolve most
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.